Letters to a pastor. Dear pastor, I know God loves everybody, but he never met my sister. Yours sincerely, Arnold, age 8. Dear pastor, my mother's very religious. She goes to play bingo at church every week, even if she has a cold. Yours truly, Annette, age 9. Dear pastor, I think a lot more people would come to your church if you moved it to Disneyland. Laureen, age 9. Dear pastor, my father says I should learn the 10 Commandments, but I don't think so. I don't think I want to because we have enough rules already in my house. Joshua, age 10. Dear pastor, I liked your sermon on Sunday, especially when it was finished. Ralph, age 11. This is a collection of leave letters and applications written by people in various places in India. Since I have to go to my village to sell my land along with my wife, please sanction me 1 week leave. From an employee who was performing the Mundan ceremony of his 10-year-old son. As I want to shave my son's head, please leave me for 2 days. Another one, Jem. As I am marrying my daughter, please grant a week's leave. An incident of a leave letter. I am suffering from fever, please declare 1-day holiday. Another actual letter. My wife is suffering from sickness, and as I am her only husband at home, I may be granted leave. This is a letter applying for a post. I am in well here and hope you are also in the same well. Dear sir, this has reference to your advertisement calling for a typist and an accountant, male or female. As I am both, for the past several years, and I can handle both with good experience, I am applying for the post. And my favorite. Dear sir, with reference to the above, please refer to my below.